10 best foods to relieve knee pain and restore cartilage. Knee pain can significantly affect daily life, making simple tasks challenging. While treatments are available, incorporating certain foods into your diet can help relieve pain and support cartilage health. Here are 10 of the best foods that can promote knee joint well-being. 1. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon and sardines can reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. 2. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Adding turmeric to meals can help alleviate knee discomfort. 3. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach and kale are high in vitamin C and K, which are essential for maintaining cartilage and fighting inflammation. 4. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3s and fiber, both of which can help reduce inflammation in the joints. 5. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants that combat inflammation and may help ease knee pain. 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory effects similar to those of certain medications. 7. Sweet potatoes. These nutrient-rich tubers provide vitamin C and A, which support joint health and reduce inflammation. 8. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and glucosamine, bone broth can help repair cartilage and improve joint function. 9. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that may inhibit inflammation, making it a flavorful addition to your diet. 10. Dark chocolate. High in antioxidants, dark chocolate can help reduce inflammation, just enjoy it in moderation. Incorporating these foods into your meals can support knee health and help alleviate pain effectively. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.